Hi, in this video I'll show you how to hide Lona from the overall statistic. This feature is useful for your administrator's account or for any other Lonas whose results shouldn't appear in the overall statistic. Open the Lona statistics section or Lona management and select the Lona from the list. In the Lona profile, turn on Hide from Statistic toggle. After that, the Lona disappears from statistic and the general Lonas list. You can find hidden Lonas in two ways, by clicking three dots and selecting Show Hidden Lonas in the Lona Management section, where a list of hidden Lonas is also available. If you need to bring back Lona to the overall statistic, go to their profile and turn off the same toggle. Please note, hiding from the statistic doesn't delete the learner and doesn't affect their access to learning. It only excludes their results from the overall reports. With just a few clicks, you can remove administrator or test learner accounts from your statistic without losing of any of their data. Hope that helps and good luck with your academy.